she's like hanging on the door. I don't want to pull it because she's gonna fall out. You wanna? There we go. Hello.
What?
Hey, you okay?
Yeah, I'm on home.
You're what? You're going home?
Yeah, right here.
Okay. Some people were a little worried about you. You were just sleeping
Whoa,
here.
What the fuck?
I don't know. You tell me.
I just parked.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
You sure?
Oh my god, you guys got.
A mother clings to her car door, her child somewhere inside, vulnerable and exposed. The scene is chaotic, every second counting. Officers rush in, aware that what begins as a simple check could become a life-or-death situation. The officers quickly assess the scene. The mother seems disoriented, unaware that her baby is lying on the floor of the car seat, exposed to the sweltering heat. Tension rises as the officers attempt to calm her and secure the child.
My baby out here and me.
Your baby?
Yeah, I just parked.
Where's your baby?
Right here.
What the? Back up. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down.
Let me get my baby. Let me get my
baby. Sit
baby.
down. Sit down.
My baby in my put my
Sit
baby
down.
in my car seat. I just
Sit
parked.
down. Sit down. Sit down. That's a lawful order. Sit down. It could have been a crash. I don't know. She just got.
I just got here.
Sit
I
down.
just got here.
I need you to sit down. Sit down right there. Sit down.
I just parked.
Are you listening to me?
Yeah. You tell me to sit.
See right there? Look where my finger is. Sit down. Sit down.
Yeah, I live right here. I literally just parked.
Are there any signal 4s or signal 3s in the area involving silver mouse?
No, you can pull it out. You can pull it out.
What is it?
That's my purse.
Oh.
Thank you.
Sit down again.
Do you guys want to walk me to my house?
No,
right
I want you to sit down.
No, right.
No. I want you to sit down. Can you check some other districts? It's damage to the left side. I'm not going to ask you again. I need you to stay with your vehicle or I want you to sit down.
I'm right here.
You are not going anywhere. You're staying right here until I figure out why your son was laying in the floor of your car.
Floor?
Are you missing something?
Did you throw up, dear?
No.
We're off at 2-1. Sure.
I promise you I'm fine.
Well, I feel like we should probably check everybody out first.
No, at this time you were not going inside.
You're in green,
you were listening.
you're blue.
Yes, do you know who I am?
No.
I'm with the Palm Beach County Sheriff's Office.
I know.
And right now you're being detained until I figure out what's going on. Do you understand what I'm saying?
No.
Hey,
Okay.
here,
You are being detained. You are not free to leave.
Okay?
What?
I'm gonna check your vital signs. I'm gonna.
All right, I'm gonna follow them.
You're gonna
no, I'm gonna follow them because
no, you're gonna stay right there. Yes,
no,
yes.
I'm gonna follow them
stay
because
right
they
there.
got my baby.
Ma'am,
I'm gonna stay right here because they got my baby.
ma'am, listen to him, please.
I'm listening, but they got my baby, so I'm gonna stay right here.
Listen to me. My concern is your baby. It was out of the car seat on the floor.
No, he was not.
Yes, he was. Yes,
And
he
I
was.
was right
Yes,
here.
he was. Just listen to him, please. We're not gonna leave. I can't leave without your baby, without your consent.
I'm not leaving. I live literally right here. You guys can walk
You
me
pointed that way
inside.
first. You pointed that way. Now you live over
No,
here.
I live right there.
right.
You can walk me. You can walk me. I promise.
Do you find any signal 3s or signal 4s in the neighboring districts?
I live right here. I live right here.
okay.
Look,
Just
you
listen
can
to him,
walk
man.
with me. I can hold him. I can hold him. I can hold him. I can hold him.
No, you're not gonna hold him. You're gonna wait right here.
Dear, we're gonna check his vital signs, okay?
I literally just parked. I got here right now. I promise you.
Okay, but we want to make sure that he's okay.
Yeah, we're gonna check. We're just gonna check him out, okay?
He wasn't. Yeah, because him.
No. We found him underneath the car seat.
Because of
My
him.
partner had to pull him out of underneath the car seat.
Because
Sorry,
of him. He's gonna be 1 in 2 weeks. I literally just parked right now.
Well, someone
I got
called and said
home.
that you double parked, so you might have just parked.
I
Been
didn't
here
double
for a while,
park,
though.
babe. Look, I literally just got here. I live here. I just got here. I promise you 100%.
Driver won't stand there.
Yes, she's a driver. The kid was laying on the floor in the car. She's got damage. She could have been in a signal 3 or signal 4. And I need to call the complainant to confirm that he swear him in to make sure that she was here for an hour.
Where's the kid?
Backseat laying on the floor, not seatbelted in. Laying on the floor of the car. There's damage, and she's.
Sleeping?
She was sleeping. Sleeping right there in the.
She was sleeping.
She was sleeping.
And you're detained. You take on the
You were sleeping. 3 people had to wake you up, and your child was in the back floor, sweating in distress in a hot car. Tell me none of that's true.
My baby has been sweating since he came out of my.
Oh, okay.
You called this Mazda saying it was here for an hour. You said.
Yeah, they came in at about 5 o'clock.
Okay, you want to come up here and just talk to me real quick about it?
Yeah.
Okay, all right, we'll be at the same place where the Mazda was.
Pulse 137, sat 98, 100%.
I live right here. I will walk with you. I promise you.
Somebody called, said your vehicle was parked here for an hour.
It wasn't an hour, baby.
Oh, okay. I'm just going to believe you instead of some unbiased witness. When that deputy comes back and lets me know how long you were here, then we'll go from there, okay?
Do you guys need anything else? Because I'm going home in my house.
You're not going nowhere. You're staying here. Did you not hear what I said? You can't leave?
You didn't say that part.
Oh, I didn't say that? Okay. And you're detained. You can't go nowhere. Just don't walk away. If you walk away, you're going to jail.
For what?
I don't know how to tell you for what. Just don't go nowhere.
I don't have to go anywhere.
Okay.
If you walk away, you're going to jail. You understand that, right? If you try to leave,
I'm making sure my car is locked. What are you guys tripping?
go back over there.
You guys want to walk me to my house?
Nope.
So what's the problem?
I told you. He's checking some things out.
I didn't hear that part.
And when we find out, I'll let you know. He's going to go talk to somebody. Ask exactly how long you were parked here.
Well, he doesn't know because I literally just parked.
No, he doesn't know. That's why he's going to find out.
Yeah, so how would he know?
Because he's going to go talk to the witness who saw you parked here for an hour.
I wasn't here for an hour. Well, you guys can knock on my door. I literally had to take a shit.
Don't go nowhere.
Knock on my door.
Don't go nowhere.
I live right there.
Don't go nowhere.
I gotta take a shit.
Don't walk away.
I'm not going anywhere.
Now you're going to jail.
Marco? Hey, sorry.
Is everything okay?
Yeah, just, never mind. Hang tight still.
Now you're going to jail. Now you're going to jail.
No. I'm not going
Now you're going to jail. Come here.
Babe, I'm right here. I'm not doing anything.
Come here.
No, I'm
Let
not
go.
doing anything.
Let go. Let go. Let go. Let go.
No.
Let go.
No.
Let go. Let go.
Do you have the kid?
Yeah, I have.
I'm not doing anything.
Now you're definitely not doing anything. Because now you're going to jail. Drop this.
I haven't been.
And you smell like alcohol too.
I don't, bro.
Let go. Let go. Let go of it. Let go of it.
Take the kid.
Let go of it. Let go of it.
Hey, you're good.
What the hell are you doing? You just made it so much worse for yourself. Yo, okay. Let go of it. What the fuck are you doing? I don't give a shit.
Let's get her.
Do what you're fucking told to do.
Hey,
Yo, okay.
let's
What are you
let's get her.
What are you grabbing? What are you grabbing? She's
Desmond.
grabbing you? Yes.
No, I'm not.
Stop it. Stop it.
We're all right. We're all right. We're all right. Come on.
Stop it.
All right, Desmond. I got it.
If this story has you gripped, hit like, comment, and subscribe. Share your thoughts in the comments. Would you have stayed calm in this moment, or felt the panic overwhelming? Your support helps us continue sharing real-life stories with lessons that matter. Every command given by officers during incidents like this is about survival.
I'm not
I got it.
touching him.
Yeah, oh, you just didn't grab you.
You're trying to go for my gun. There's no way you're trying to go for my gun.
I don't have shit.
I got it. You're trying to bite?
Get in the car. Get in the
He's got my leg.
Get in the car.
Get the f off of me.
Get in the car.
He's got my leg.
Get in the car.
Why the f when I get in the car if I'm not doing shit?
Get in.
No.
Watch out.
Get the f off of me.
Get in.
Desmond.
Get the f
Sit in the car. Sit in the car.
Desmond, slow down.
Sit in the car.
Get the f off.
Nope. That ain't gonna happen. You keep kicking me and grabbing my.
Hey!
Sit down.
She's gonna kick. She's gonna
Sit down.
I'm not kicking.
Sit down.
I'm not kicking.
Sit back.
Get the f off of
Get
me.
in the car.
Don't kick me. You're gonna be adding charges.
I'm not.
You're literally doing it.
I'm not.
Get in. Back up.
Get in.
Back
back up.
Okay, look, calm down. We're good.
Get in.
I know.
Get in.
You're fine. Just jump up.
Slide back.
No.
All you have to do is slide back. Slide back. Slide back.
No.
Yes.
No.
That's another charge.
No.
4. Get in the car.
You're charging me for
Get
what?
in the car.
Why are you putting me in the car?
Because you're going to jail. All right, put her on the ground. Put her on the ground.
In the grass.
Why?
Get on the
Why? Why? I'm not doing shit.
Turn over. Turn over. Calm the down.
I'm so
What's wrong with you?
I swear I'm not doing anything. I swear.
Stop it. Just stop. Calm down.
Get off of me right now. You're burning me. You're burning my arm. You're burning my
You're
arm.
hurting yourself.
You're burning my arm. My baby.
You gonna sit in the car?
I swear I'm going home. I will.
Stand up. Get in the car.
Ow.
Get in the car.
Ow, you're hurting my arms. Wait, take this off of me.
Get your
No,
legs.
I will put it inside, but I need to take the cuffs off of me.
No, the cuffs are staying on.
Hey,
Put your feet in the car. Let's go.
No, wait, my shoe fell off. My shoe fell off. No, my shoe fell off. No, my baby. My baby and my shoe.
Get in the car.
No.
Yes.
No. My baby. Please, my baby. Please, no. No, please get me out of here. Please.
In the back.
I swear 100%. I'm not going anywhere. Please take this off of me. I can't. No, are you pushing me? They didn't do shit.
What do you want?
Something?
What do you want?
I want to go home.
No, you're on something. What do you
No, I
want?
don't want anything. I promise you.
You're not going home. You're going to jail.
No, no. Why would I go to jail? I literally live right here. Okay. Get the off of me. Where's my baby?
You have the firefighter's house.
Get the off of my neck.
You should put it back in the front. She's trying to bite me.
Why?
You want to just lay her on the ground and get the hot dog scoop here?
Calm down. Nick, calm down. Calm down. Pull it.
Call my mother right now. Call my mother right now. Call my mother, please.
How did she get out of it?
Get the off of me. Call my mother for my baby.
All right, ma'am, if I call your mother, will you calm down?
I will 100%.
Okay.
Please call my baby right now.
Okay.
Please, Pa.
Okay,
Please
calm
call
down,
my mom.
calm down.
No.
You calm down.
I am calm.
So what's her
Get
number?
your fucking phone. I promise you.
What's her number?
I'll tell you right now.
On your butt. Stay there.
Put the hair behind my hair.
No.
I can't.
You may have not been told this before, but no.
Valentine bitch ass move. Take my baby. Take this off me, please.
Holy shit. She kicked me in the balls. She kicked me in my leg. She kicked him. She bit Nick. That's 4 felonies.
At about 4:50, 5 o'clock, I was going on a walk in the neighborhood, and as I was coming around that side, I noticed a silver SUV coming in from the residence side of the gate, and as they came through the gate, they accelerated way above the 15-mile-per-hour speed limit. Kind of looked the other way as she was coming around the curve, and then I hear tires squealing as she's coming around the turn over here. I noticed that the car approached the parking space aggressively, immediately put her hazards on. At that point, I just figured, okay, I'm gonna go inside my house. Went inside the house for about an hour, left to go to Sprouts on Atlantic Avenue, and I noticed that the car's hazards were still on.
Was it in the same? Now, do you see the vehicle currently right now?
Yes, the Mazda.
Okay, the Mazda over there.
Yeah.
When you saw it pull in, did it ever leave that spot?
So she didn't start in that spot.
She didn't start in that spot.
No, she was double parked. I'll walk with you here.
No, it's fine. Just from right here is fine.
Do you see where that black Chevy is? Mm-hmm. She was double parked next to that black
Chevy. You mean the Camaro over there?
Yeah, the Camaro.
Okay, further down. Okay, she was double parked there.
And the hazards were still on.
So that's where you saw when you walked in.
Yes.
And then when you walked out, where did you see the Mazda then?
No, when I was leaving the neighborhood, I'm sorry. When I was leaving to go to Sprouts, she was still double parked next to that Camaro.
Yeah, okay. Do you have any reason on why the vehicle would be here now?
No clue.
No clue.
No clue.
Okay.
I thought it was odd that the hazards were still on and nobody left the car. So I figured I'd call non-emergency services, and I thought she was having a medical episode, like could have had a seizure or something.
And you saw her in the vehicle?
Yes.
Okay. When you went to go leave to Sprouts, it was 6 p.m.
I can tell you real quick. Okay, so it was closer to 5:45 when I left.
Okay, 5:45 when you
As
left.
opposed to 6.
Okay.
When I was heading to Sprouts, I called non-emergency services and just recommended maybe an EMT or like fire rescue can come out and check on her. It's just not normal to sit in your car with your hazards on.
Did you see anyone get out of the vehicle at any point in time when you were looking at the vehicle?
No.
Not once. Okay.
The baby's perspective is chilling, a world of heat and fear, waiting for help. Officers act quickly, human yet trained, to rescue him. This story isn't about villains. It's about human error, urgency, and the fragile balance between safety and tragedy. If this story moved you, like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video to raise awareness about hot car dangers and the importance of vigilance. Every click and comment helps more people understand the urgency of protecting the vulnerable. The mother is taken into custody, the child safe. The neighborhood reflects on how quickly an ordinary day can spiral into chaos. This is the reality of real-life emergencies, not monsters, not villains, just human error and the thin line between tragedy and rescue.